Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and tonight I'm kicking off a project, probably take me a couple of days to do, but I'm going to make a tomahawk target, or an axe throwing target, or a pointy object throwing target. I was inspired by a video I saw earlier today. I don't know the YouTuber's name offhand, but I'll put it in the description, and I'll probably put his name somewhere floating by in here. Anyway, he has some good videos. Go support him. Well, I apologize, I don't know his name. Anyway, forgive me. So I have this old beam here, and it's treated wood. It's been floating around my house for a long time. I'm not going to do anything with it, so I'm going to cut it up, try gluing it into a frame, painting a target on it. So it's a 4x6, which means it's 3.5 by 5.5, and these lines I drew on here are 3.5 inches. Nothing has to be exact, because heck, this is I'm gonna be throwing axes at it, so it's gonna get chewed up. So let me just show you how I make this, and hopefully I can throw an axe or something at it and make it stick. Wink wink. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, here we go. One more thing I want to point out, I attached this shop vac to the back of this DeWalt saw as a makeshift dust collector, because the first cut I made, it shot dust against the wall, bounced back right in my face, and that was less than pleasant. So I'm gonna put a face mask on and this dust mask, and I should be alright in cutting this. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's going to look something like this, where it's going to be 4 rows of 6 wide. That should be a big enough base or target area that I can throw at. Alright, I'm going to glue up some strips, get them clamped for overnight. I know the glue isn't going to do a whole lot to hold this together, but I'm going to attempt. I'll even do some stuff from behind once I got a frame idea for it. I know you professional woodworkers and carpenters out there are gonna cringe when you see how I do this, but I don't claim to be a professional woodworker or carpenter. I'm just a guy who makes stuff in his backyard, who sometimes does a good job and sometimes just fakes it. Alright, keep watching. So I have this extra piece of plywood. It's not exactly the size I need to get to the edges perfectly, but it's pretty darn close, and I'll just make it work. So I'm gonna screw and what do you call it? Glue this down and call it good. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to throw, well first I'm gonna just stick this in. I just went and got this at Harbor Freight. It's a 2-pound, they're calling it a fireman's hatchet. It's close enough to a tomahawk, and it was relatively inexpensive. It was $16 with the coupon. So I'm gonna just stick it in here first, then I'm gonna film my very first maybe 1 or 2 attempts at throwing it. And then if I don't get it, then I'll keep throwing it until I do get it. Okay, here we go. I got it! I got it! I got it! Okay. Thanks for hanging out with me during this this build, this little maker thing. This was inspired by another video I saw. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, anything you'd like. It's not a precision build. I didn't measure things to be precise. I just measured things so it'd stick together. I'm gonna throw axes at it. Doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna destroy it.